Hi guys, my name is Karen, I'm from Italy. I am an international student here in Shanghai studying design. Before I came to China, many of my friends, they asked me, Karen, why are you going to China? And I was like, why not? Okay, I didn't say why not actually, there are so many other reasons. So let me tell you why you should study here in China. From the culture and the language side, if you want to change a new environment, you will be immersed in the Chinese environment, which is a new, different world, let me say that. If you are a language lover, you will have the opportunity to learn the Chinese language and to understand the Chinese culture. Let me remind you that this linguistic and cultural competence can be extremely valuable in the professional world. If you are concerned about the cost, let me say that I have good news for you. The tuition fees in China can be much more affordable than in other Western countries. This can make higher education more accessible to a wider range of students, including those from low-income families. So as you know, China is a growing world power, and studying here offers you a unique experience in the heart of one of the world's major economic and cultural centers. This can open doors of job and career opportunities in an international context. And then studying in China allows you to create this network of contacts with people from all over the world, which could be useful for professional and collaboration opportunities. So now that you know why you should come to China, let me tell you what do you need to know before coming here. If you're a foreigner and you never studied Chinese before in your life, for a non-native speaker, the language and the cultural barrier can be significant and of course require extra time, extra energy to overcome. This can make the adaptation and study process a little bit difficult initially. From the education system side, China's education system is a little bit different from what students are used to in their home country. This may lead to difficulties in adapting to Chinese teaching and assessment methods. So these are the things that you should pay attention to. Of course, if you can study the language before you're coming, better for you. But if you don't know any single word of Chinese, it's not the end of the world if you come here and you study from zero. You have the environment, you can find so many students, teachers that can help you. So why not? Let's give it a try.